'Cause I'm giving you up, just like I did them Marlboro Lights. And I'm giving you up, the same way I did the whiskey on ice. And it's all so tough, you turned me into a man I don't even recognize. Giving you up, the same way you did me out in the moonlight. Hey everyone, Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. I've got an awesome song for you that was requested. This is Giving You Up by Kameron Marlowe. I had never heard of him. I had never heard of this song before, but I love it. So thank you so much for the request. If you guys have other song requests, please let me know and I'll do my best to oblige. All right? So let's get into this song. It's super easy. You're only gonna need 4 chords, standard tuning. You're gonna wanna put a capo on the 1st fret. I'm gonna include a link to the capo that I have that you can buy on Amazon for like 20 bucks. I've had it for the whole time I've been playing guitar, like 15 years. But also, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new videos. If you buy the capo, or if you don't buy the capo, it doesn't matter to me. It's just helpful to you, okay? It's just a good capo. Yeah, so enough of that. Let's get into it. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right, here it goes. So, the chords you're gonna need for this song, in this order, is Cadd9, okay? And then you're also gonna use G. Okay, then E minor 7, so for that one, just lift off everything except for your pointer finger. Okay, and then D. 'Cause I'm giving you up, just like I did them Marlboro Lights. See how easy that is? So that's like the whole song is how you play it, like that's how you play it, okay? But I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern as well with it. So you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Now you'll play it louder for the chorus and a little bit softer for the verses. So I personally think it's easier if you just play it with your thumb or your pointer finger. Then it's easier to make it sound softer at times. Okay. So you would do, so for the intro, you'll play it louder. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So then when you're gonna play the verses, you're gonna play it a little bit softer. Okay, you're gonna go, don't you dare try and reappear. Okay, so it's gonna be Cadd9 on don't you dare try and reappear after you. Okay, so Cadd9, don't you dare try and reappear. Reappear is G. Reappear. After all, or after you is E minor 7, you already got me standing is D, okay? Standing here. I can't, okay, I can't is Cadd9. So that should be easy to remember. I can't believe you is G, you would come at me looking. Okay, so after looking, you're gonna do E minor 7. Looking for a little is D, little bit of sympathy. Okay, then you're gonna go to Cadd9 right after sympathy. Like I wasn't the one is G, the one you left all alone, crying, looking. So after looking, you do E minor 7. Looking like a hot mess. Mess is D, okay, mess. All right, you go to Cadd9. Don't, right before you do, say don't. Don't show your face round here. Here is G. Here, honey, this is something. After something, you're gonna do E minor 7. Something you better get through your head. So better is D. Better get through your head. And you're gonna go right into the chorus. Head. 'Cause I'm giving. So I'm just doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right before I go into the chorus. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 'Cause I'm giving you up, just like I did them Marlboro Lights. So I don't know if that helps you see where I'm doing it. 'Cause I'm giving, okay, 'cause I'm giving is Cadd9. Giving you up is G, all right? Up, just like is E minor 7. Just like I did them Marlboro is D. Marlboro Lights, and I'm giving and I'm is C add 9, and I'm giving you up. Okay, up is G, so it's the same thing here, okay? Giving you up. The same as E minor 7, same way I did the whiskey. Whiskey is D, whiskey on ice, and it's all is C add 9, all so tough. Okay, tough is G, tough. You turn me into a man. Okay, so it's you turn is E minor 7. You turn me into a man I don't is D, so that's easy to remember. Don't even recognize I'm giving. Okay, then given is C add 9. Giving you up. Up is G, it is every time. Up. The same way is where you do E minor 7. Same way you did me out. Me out is D. Me out in the moonlight. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna do like once, kind of softly through of the intro before when you go from the chorus to the next verse. So you're just gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down. And then when you switch chords, every time just kind of like wait a second. So down, down, up, down, up, down. Then down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you could do down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Or you can do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Either one of those work fine as a transition from the chorus to the next verse. So that's how you play the whole song. Now you know how to play it, super easy. Let me know if you guys have other song requests. I'm a little bit backed up, but I'm doing the best I can. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. It's been fun. I hope to see you next time.